He transformed glute training, and now he's transforming bodyweight strength training. Brett Contreras, aka the glute guy, is back, and he's back with the second edition of the best-selling Bodyweight Guide. Bodyweight Strength Training Anatomy, second edition, is now updated, expanded, and better than ever. This edition is loaded with 177 innovative exercises that you can do anywhere. So no weights, no machines, and no gym required. What I love about this book is it goes far beyond the basic standard push-ups, sit-ups, and your pull-ups. It covers unique full body movements with step-by-step instructions and also full color anatomical illustrations so you can see exactly what muscles are working. Whether you're home, in a hotel, or squeezing in a quick session at work, these bodyweight exercises are designed to be accessible, efficient, and incredibly effective. It's not just a list of exercises. You also learn how to build a custom program that fits your goals and lifestyle. So, if you're looking for a smarter way to get strong on your own terms, this is the book for you. Whether you're just beginning your quest for a better body or simply seeking a proven approach for training at home, on the road, Bodyweight Strength Training Anatomy 2nd Edition is a one-of-a-kind resource that you will be referring to over and over again. So grab your copy on the Human Kinetics website at us.humankinetics.com.